In this video, I would like to show you how you can run an ad for a product that you can only sell in one area. So actually, let's type in Berlin right here because that is the area that I'm living in. So let's look for Berlin, Germany. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to take a random product. So for instance, we say, okay, let's take this MacBook Pro 13. So what we're going to do right now is we take this link up here, and now let's imagine this is our product. So basically we create a product which we can only sell in our area. And now we take this product, we take the link, and we are going to only sell the product in exactly this area. So how is it possible? What I'm going to do with you is I go to Facebook ads. So go to my ads manager, create ad, and then afterwards I'm going to go down here and create a traffic ad again. So click on traffic, and then down here we're going to name this ad random product on Facebook Marketplace. Then we click on continue, and now we can create the ad. So what I'm going to do with you right now is, first of all, I'm going to save this picture right here. Perhaps there's even a better one. Let's see. Well, maybe one of those is better because of the photo format. So actually, let's save this one in downloads as 0.1 and then MacBook. And what we're going to do right now is just simply go to our ads manager. And again, we want to drive our traffic to a website. So to a website basically means, in this case, we take this link up here and we are going to pretend that this is our website. So then we scroll down, and now we create an audience in our location. So what we're going to do is we're not just going to take Germany, we rather want to focus even more. Let's take this out, and we want to include Berlin, Germany. So that's it. We just simply take Berlin, which is a state but also a city. So we only take this area right here, and we are gonna look for people from age 18 to age, let's say 40, because that is probably the age range of the people who might be interested in this product. Now, of course, there might be people who are 55 or older who could be interested in this product, but let's be frank, it is not that likely as someone who is between 18 and 40. So now we want to enter languages, and we're only going to go with German. So not more, only German. Then detailed targeting, include people who match at least one of the following. In this case now, we want to check for Apple. So we're only going to go with Apple, or of course, we can even check for Apple MacBook Pro. So let's see whether we can find Apple MacBook. Let's see if it gives to us. MacBook, no, it doesn't really does it. So now what we're going to do is we just simply click on Apple. And now we are going to scroll down, and we are going to just simply click on down here on edit placements again. And we only want this ad to be seen in the feeds, because that is, in my mind, the best way to do it. Now, of course, you can also put it other places. So for instance, you could leave instance articles in here. You can leave right column in here. You can leave a feed. You can lead stories, and so on. But I think for now, it's just the easiest if we only work with feeds. So we're going to click on feeds and leave that in there. So now we're going to scroll down, and we're going to add, let's say, $1 per day. So not really much. Or yeah, let's say we go with $1 per day, and then run my ad continuously starting today, set a start and end date. So actually, let's do that this time. Let's say we want to sell this product within a month. So actually, this is already perfect. So we leave it like that. And now we're going to click on continue. And in these 30 days, we're not going to spend more than $30. So this one gets sold by Leon Chaudhry, so my official page. And now what I'm going to do, and this is, I think, quite important, first of all, that I leave my official page in there, because when people basically go then to this advertisement, and this is now, let's pretend, my product, then they will see that it says down here Leon Chaudhry. So the important thing right here is just simply that Leon Chaudhry and my personal profile, Leon Chaudhry, have the same name, even though it's two different profiles. Like, this is my official page, but this one right here will then be my personal profile. So it's important that you, for instance, have the same photo and the same name. So let's scroll down, and we're going to go with single image. Or actually, in this case, we could even go with a collection, because what we have right here is a collection of photos. Now, but to make it as easy as possible, we are just going to go with a single image. So now what we're going to do is we're going to upload an image. So we are now in downloads, and we just saved this one photo just a while ago. So actually, let's look for Mac. I think it will be there. There we go, MacBook. And then we're going to upload it. And there is our image. Now, before we actually put the ad in there or the link in there, what we want to do is we want to make sure that Facebook doesn't trace that this is a Facebook link. So we want to sell this product right here. And what we want to do is we want to take this link up here, and we don't just want to plug it in, because when you plug it in, what you're going to see is that Facebook cannot really preview it. So it says preview not available, unable to display a preview of this ad, FB trace, which means that it can trace that it is on Facebook. So it's not possible to actually sell a product that is on Facebook. So you now think, well, but what's the point of this video? Wait a second. I will show you how to get people to your Facebook product anyway. So you basically want to make kind of like a little loop. You want to send people to another website where they click on a link in order to go back to Facebook. And yes, I'm serious. What you want to do is you want to just simply open, for instance, Weebly. I love Weebly because I do it with Weebly, this kind of advertisement. And I just simply open Weebly. Weebly is a platform that you can use completely for free in order to, do something like creating these kind of, sales pages. And I want to change, first of all, the language to English, of course. And now what I want to do with you is in Weebly, I created a website for us. It's called like testproduct11.weebly.com. And I now want to manage this website. I want to manage this store. So Weebly is especially created because it is the easiest tool I know personally in order to create amazing sales pages. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on build up here. And now this is our landing page. So we can call this up here Leon Chaudhry online store. And let's say we are only selling one product, or we're selling hundreds of products. It doesn't really matter. And what I'm going to write up here is get my MacBook for only 950 euros. Best deal ever. And then down here, actually I want to change the button text first of all to English. So buy now. Go back, and I want to take the link that we just copied and I want to put it in here. And now I'm just going to go back, and this will be the link where it goes to. So actually, let's do a preview in order to, just make you understand how this works. So now we take this website, we click on this website, and what we're going to see is here on Weebly, we just simply need to click on this one, this link right now. So buy now, and then afterwards we'll be sent to this Facebook Marketplace product. So this might take now a second, but here we go. This is the product that we wanted to sell. So what we're going to do right now is we're not going to take this link that we just copied. We take the link of this website or of this particular page, and I'll put it on the front page. So now we take this link up here and we go back to our ad, and then we're going to plug it in here. So now Facebook cannot trace where this advertisement actually goes to. And what you're going to see is that it works. And this is my hack how to get around this problem. Because Facebook doesn't allow you to sell any products or to advertise any products on the Facebook Marketplace through Facebook ads. But if you take the loop and just simply, loop it via Weebly, what you're going to get is just a normal sales page which will link back to the Facebook Marketplace. So when people click on it, they'll be led to this page. And when they click on that, buy now, they'll be led back to Facebook. It's that simple. So let's go back to our ad that we just created. And we want to scroll down a little bit. And I wrote now down here, would you like to have a MacBook Pro for only $950? And then this is a lifetime opportunity. Grab it now. So here you can also see how it's being shown. This is now the mobile newsfeed. and this is the feature phone, and then desktop newsfeed. So I think it looks good. It says, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity, grab it now. Would you like to have a MacBook Pro for only $950 US? I can't believe it. This MacBook Pro is so cheap. So let's actually scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And now we're gonna click on confirm, and then this ad is ready as well. So we're now finished with this ad. This will now take a couple of seconds actually, to be approved. And then we have an ad for our product here on the Facebook Marketplace. It is really that simple, but most people have not really figured out the secret yet of looping the entire thing and not just placing the Facebook Marketplace link in there. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.